Drone aerial photography of Ryujin Suspension Bridge, Ibaragi, Japan. The Ryujin Suspension Bridge is built over the Ryujin Dam, which holds back the Ryujin River in a V-shaped gorge. The bridge is 370 feet long and making it one of the longest pedestrian bridges in Japan. The height from the surface of the lake is 100 air. From the bridge, you can see the beautiful scenery of Japan's four seasons. You can also look at the surface of the lake below through an acrylic transparency installed in the middle of the bridge. In the middle of the suspension bridge, you can go bungee jumping. However, when I visited, the bridge itself was closed due to COVID-19. I hope that the situation will be under control and the bridge will reopen for business. During the months of September to November, Japan is in the fall season. Especially in mountainous areas, you can enjoy delicious river fish such as long-hocked salmon and eye. This is the time of the year when the heat wave has come down and the weather is more pleasant, so please visit. Thank you for your watching.